ho! Merry Christmas, one and all! December is a time of magic and fun, but most importantly of all for the gardener, it's a time to plan and get ready for the new growing season. The clop of hooves and the whiz of Santa's sleigh will get us all in the mood for the festive month. Now it's time to unwrap our latest Christmas Advent Calendar present.
Today it's Grazers. Grazers' range of sprays promote a plant's natural defenses against a range of common pests and can be used proactively and regularly to get ahead of many garden insects like slugs and cabbage white butterflies. Grazers is the totally wildlife-friendly spray that works by making the plant taste bitter and unappealing for the pests to eat, so they look elsewhere for their food. Buy online today at grazers.co.uk. Grazers is totally safe for people, pets, plants and planet, and is also effective against more unusual pest damage from around the world, such as possums and wild parrots. Fortify your plant's natural defenses against expected damage and program their resistance to pests with Grazers.
There'll be another Advent Calendar present tomorrow, only on worldradiogardening.com. Come on, Rudolph, let's polish up your red nose and get ready to deliver those presents.